One small money mistake can silently ruin your future. No warning, no alarm, and most people don't even realize they're making it. It usually starts harmless. You earn money, you spend money, and whatever is left, you worry about later. Bills get paid. Life feels normal. So you assume everything is fine. Then one unexpected expense hits, and suddenly stress takes over. You rely on credit, you delay goals, and freedom slowly disappears. But here's the mistake: living without a plan for your money, not budgeting, not saving consistently, not preparing for the future. Most people don't fail with money suddenly. They fail slowly. The solution isn't earning more. It's controlling what you already earn. A simple plan, small savings, and conscious spending. That's how money starts working for you. Learn the skills before money teaches you the hard way.